time to do our loaded burgers on the grill. You can find these in the fresh meat case at Schnucks. They're already pre-made and ready for you, so it's taken all of the time out. It's very convenient, and they are amazing flavor profiles.
Hey Bill, how many you got of those?
Mike, there's 2 here. These are the 6 that we're gonna cook today. 6 different varieties. Again, already made up, pre-made for you. You pick them up, you throw them on the grill, and they're ready to go.
What's your favorite, Bill?
That one, that one, that one, that one, this one, and this one. I like them all, Mike.
All right, I'll give you that. They are delicious. I like them all too. So.
Yeah.